Hey guys, so for Christmas this year, Shannon got me a thickness planer. We've been doing a little work with wood, so this is the Vevor Thickness planer. It's 110 volts, so it can plug into any outlet in your house. So we're gonna try and put it together now. We're gonna put the foot frame together and then put the machine on the top. First thing we got to have. Give a kid a box, they'll be happy for life. Piece M80, he made 30 screws. You gotta come from the top. Everything's in here. I'm out of the so. So first piece, we took a piece, it was already finished, but just trimmed it down and working pretty good, I gotta say.